Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, we are going to be cleaning this nightmare of an office, which I've done it before, but obviously it did not keep up with the cleanness. But before I get started, I want to let you guys know this is a collaboration with Mel from Simply Mel. She also does cleaning videos, shop with me's, hauls, and much more. She is such a wonderful lady. You guys definitely should go in the description box below. She will be linked because she's amazing. But guys, definitely go check out her channel. You guys won't regret it. So let's get going with this disaster of a mess. This room is the catch-all. Obviously, as you could tell, it's the catch-all for all things created in life. I kid you not, I already did this room before a few months ago. However, obviously I did not keep up with it, mainly because life happens, poop happens, you just have to it took me like a month and a half to actually like truly just like, I gotta get this done because it's a nightmare in here. And I bought those tubs from Target. You guys would have seen it on a previous haul. So I definitely needed those for this room. And I took all my Michael's grab bags. I put it all inside this tub because they were in just those boxes in the corner for like ever. So sorry for the quality of this video. This room has a really tiny window and I don't have much natural light coming into this room. So I had to put my ISO really high. And once you put that high, it makes the video grainy. So this is not like the best quality video, but that is fine. Anyways, let's get talking about this hot mess. I needed to organize everything. Obviously, you see those scattered papers everywhere. I get a ton of mail even though I like to go paperless, but I still get junk mail. So I definitely had to go through all those mails and discard all the ones that I didn't need, kept the ones that had important information. And yeah, definitely had to declutter a bunch of these papers. It's a nightmare. I wish I could get stopped all these little junk mail, but it just keeps on coming. And yeah, guys, this place is just a hot mess. I don't know what happened. I just was just like, let me just do this, and then hopefully I keep up with it. And so far so good. So guys, definitely tell me in the comments below, please make me feel better that you have a room that looks like this or did look like this, because I felt like the whole time cleaning, I was like, are you serious right now, girl? Like, you really let yourself go like this? But like I said, life happens and I just toss everything in there. Where does this shoe go? Toss it in the guest room. Where did this blanket go? Just toss it in the guest room. It is a guest room. However, it's not really a guest room, guys. It's just an office / studio. But I keep calling it a guest room because it used to be a guest room. But definitely everything I want to like put away, I always just toss it in the guest room. But you guys won't see anything yet because I have to do the closet. But that won't be done in this video because we do not want like 60-hour long videos. So that will be in my next video where I'll tackle the actual closet in that room, because whew, you thought this room was a mess. Wait until you look up in there. You'll see a little clip in the end. But yeah, definitely shouldn't let myself go. I have to start being more organized. I really do like being organized and I end up being organized. However, the keeping up with being organized is a little bit difficult. But yeah, guys, I'm just over here just cleaning up, trying to figure out what I'm doing because everything is in the way everywhere. I didn't even know where to start, so I kind of like started one area and then stopped, and then went to another area and stopped. But you guys, do you ever just like keep looking at the camera just to make sure it's on? Because it happens to me several times where I think I'm recording and it's not. So you will occasionally see me look in the camera, making sure it was still recording. So at this point, guys, if you guys don't have a shredder, go buy one. This thing is a lifesaver. It saves so much time. I used to like rip the papers by hand, and my hand got a little bit sore from ripping too much papers, but this shredder is like definitely a lifesaver. So obviously you guys just see me here, just, you know, going through each mail, seeing what is bad and what's good, you know. And then I have a bunch of mail from my relatives that I had to pile up on the, you know, different little sections because, you know, they want to use my address, but it's fine. I hate this part. I hate decluttering my mail because I shouldn't have this much mail. But I don't like shredding. I do like shredding, but I just don't like just sitting down and just going through everything. It's so annoying. It just gets so annoying. But it is satisfying. It is satisfying to just see the paper just shred up like that. Look at that. Anyways, guys, I just did this for a couple of more minutes, and I had a dying camera because my camera always dies. So this is just a couple hours later. Obviously my hair is a mess because I kind of took a nap. I needed one after the first like few hours of just tackling the beginning of it. But right now I am just, you know, doing what I'm doing. I'm just cleaning, you know. You guys, I finally got my hands on the new fall scents for Mrs. Meyer's, and the one I got was acorn. Oh, it smells so good. It kind of smells like the leaves candle, but the leaves candle is less scented, if that makes sense. But this acorn spray smells so good. I am so happy I got my hands on it. I was looking for the pumpkin spice. I did find the pumpkin spice, but as soon as I smelled the acorns, I was like, this is the one. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to give you a little input because that acorns is awesome. But obviously I am still cleaning up, and everything is like, I have so many little things. I just don't understand why. And it's like, do I really need all this stuff? I really don't. But yeah, I always collect little things and little, I don't know, things that I really do not need. But hey, that's just me. I like to collect things I don't need. So again, I am going to start shredding papers again. As you can see in a few more seconds, this is just a nightmare because I found some more papers, so I had to just keep on shredding. The shredding part probably took most of the time, but you know, that's what happens when I just collect papers and all that stuff, and yeah, it's just too much. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are not judging me on how messy this room got, because it did get messy and I am a little bit embarrassed. And honestly, guys, I really didn't do much organization in here. I just pretty much cleaned up and do some a little bit of decluttering of my mail, but that will be a different video because I actually want something to have like a bigger storage than that plastic thing right next to me. I want it more bigger and more sturdy, because the plastic ones always, like, you can't really move it without like falling everywhere. But I'm just gonna do a quick vacuum right here, and I will show you how it looks at the end, and I will also show you this closet that I was talking about. So anyways, guys, if you guys are new here, please remember to subscribe, and if you guys came from Mel's channel, I would greatly appreciate you subscribing, because I just love your support and I love your positivity. But anyways, let me stop talking. Let me finish off this video. Remember, Mel's link will be in the description box below. She is so amazing and so kind. You guys definitely would really love her channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.